Well, good afternoon. We're taking a look at some areas around the region, at some regional areas of snow coming down. I'm a little distracted because it looks like we just got a new winter storm warning that was just issued. It's scrolling at the bottom of your screen. More counties look to be included in that, so make sure you're reading that here. It looks like it stretches down now into parts of the James River Valley, Stutsman County area. It looks like Foster County as well included in that, stretching back over toward Harvey. So we'll get an update on that for you too coming up here. But what we've got going on right now, here's a look. We've got areas where we've got blue sky peeking through in Fargo, some sunshine. Grand Forks, East Grand Forks looking okay with some clouds. And then over to the western part of our viewing area and beyond, we've got that snow. One place seeing the snow right now in our viewing area is up in northeastern North Dakota, the Cavalier area. You can see that we've got some snow coming down in the distance, and it may be starting to coat some of the grassy areas, but overall it just looks like it's starting to bring down our visibility a little bit. Farther west, this is northwest of Minot. Lots of areas in northwest parts of North Dakota seeing that snow, and you can see the snow accumulated on the road surface there in the Highway 52 corridor. So again, going to be some areas where we have trouble with travel because of that snow. And here's a look at the latest radar and satellite map. You can see that huge shield of snow right along the international border in North Dakota back over into Montana. And again, this is starting to push into places like Langdon, like Cavalier, back over toward north and west of Devil's Lake. So filling in that area with some snow as we speak with this first round. A couple of spotty areas where we're seeing precipitation showing up as well in east central North Dakota that I'm keeping an eye on. And then there are these breaks in the clouds in other spots, and far south we've had a little bit of fog. So a lot of things going on around the valley right now, including that threat for some snow in northeastern parts of North Dakota. So let's get into our forecast. Again, a reminder, we're looking at two rounds. The first one moving in right now for those places in northeastern North Dakota. Those areas of snow will continue in Devil's Lake, back up toward Langdon as we head in further into the afternoon hours. Elsewhere, most of us are just experiencing a mostly cloudy to overcast kind of day. Temperatures into the 40s to some 50s this afternoon. So still keeping things quiet for a lot of places, except for that area in the northeastern part of North Dakota. However, once we get into the evening hours tonight, we'll start to get more moisture moving into this wave, and you can see more areas of precipitation developing. On the warm side of things, we're looking at spotty rain showers in the south. On the colder side, snow going on, and Grand Forks might be right on the line here, north and west of there, experiencing more snow. South and east, more likely some rain. Now, moving on into tomorrow morning, we start to get into a slight break after that first round. Let's talk about the second wave now moving in for Thursday afternoon. This one slightly south and east, so seeing more chances for snow in Grand Forks and Jamestown, where we just had that winter storm warning issued. And then you can see that as we make our way into the evening hours Thursday, this becomes more widespread, and that rain snow line starts to push eastward. So places like Fargo start to get in on that chance for some snow. So it may not be until later tomorrow night that areas like southeastern North Dakota and Fargo see snow showers start to develop, but eventually that happens. And so that delay in seeing snow does have an impact, of course, on our snow amounts. Into Friday morning, we'll start to see this move on with some stronger winds out of the northwest developing in its wake. Snowfall potential, quick look here. Today's round, of course, focused in on northeastern North Dakota, northwest Minnesota. Adding on to that into Friday, you can see areas in deeper blue here have the potential of 6 or more inches of snow possible, so quite a bit. And then there's going to be a transition zone where we're talking about even a small shift can make a big difference between maybe a light coating and a few inches of snow, and Fargo's included in that. And then places south and east with lesser amounts, maybe just seeing some rain in some spots in the far southeast. So very different situation depending on where you are. And the snow is starting now for some of us in the valleys. Hopefully you're ready for it because it's here, it's coming. And if you're not seeing it now, you may see it in the next couple of days.
Yeah, I think right after the show, got to put the shovel, find the snow boots, got to find everything. Winter is definitely, or temperature in winter, and snow is here basically.
Yeah, time to get those survival kits in your car. Just want to make sure you're prepared. You might not need them this time around, but it's good to have them there.
Definitely. Lisa, thank you.